Hail, Queen of heavenly ocean star, guide of the wanderer here below. Thrown on life's search, we claim your care. Save us from peril and from woe. Mother of Christ, Star of the sea, pray for the wanderer, pray for me. O gentle, chaste, and spotless Maid, receive us, make our prayers through you. Remind your Son that He has paid the price of our iniquity. Virgin most pure, Star of the sea, pray for the sinner, pray for me. Sojourners in this vale of tears, to you, blessed Advocate, we cry, pity our sorrow, calm our fear, and soothe with hope our misery. Refuge in grief, Star of the sea,